Welcome back to our channel where we uncover the best side hustles that can help you make extra income in 2023. In today's video, we're going to discuss 4 lucrative side hustles that hardly anyone is talking about. These opportunities have the potential to generate $900 or more per day, so let's dive into it and discover these hidden gems. Our first side hustle is micro niche blogging. While traditional blogging is already quite popular, micro niche blogging take it to the next level. Instead of targeting broad topics, micro niche blogging focuses on specific, narrow topic with a dedicated audience. By becoming an authority in a specific niche, you can attract highly targeted traffic and monetize your blog. With proper keyword research and quality content, you can generate substantial income through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts and more. Are you blessed with a captivating voice? If so, voiceover services might be the perfect side hustle for you. Many businesses and content creators are constantly seeking professional voice talent to bring their projects to life. Whether it's narrating a book, recording commercials, or providing voiceovers for videos, this side hustle offers great earning potential. You can set up a home studio, showcase your samples on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork, start securing voiceover gigs. With a high demand for competitive rates, you can easily make $900 or more per day. With the rise of virtual events, there's a growing need for skilled virtual event planners. This side hustle involves organizing and managing online conferences, webinars, workshops, or other virtual gatherings. As a virtual planner, you can coordinate with speakers, manage registrations, handle technical aspects, and ensure a smooth experience for attendees. With the flexibility to work from anywhere and the potential to earn substantial commission or fees, virtual event planning is a side hustle worth considering. Ever dream of starting your own clothing line or selling custom merchandise? With print-on-demand services, you can turn that dream into a profitable reality. Print-on-demand allows you to create unique designs and sell them on various products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more without worrying about inventory or fulfillment. You simply upload your design to a print-on-demand platform like Printful or Teespring, handle the printing, shipping, and customer service for you. With effective marketing and creating a creative approach, you can earn substantial income for your print-on-demand business. And there you have it, 4 side hustles that are flying under the radar for 2023. Whether it's micro niche, blogging, voiceover services, virtual event planning, or starting a print-on-demand business, these opportunities offer a potential to make $900 or more per day. So if you're looking to diversify your income streams or make extra money, give these side hustles a try. Remember, success comes with dedication, consistency, and willingness to learn and adapt. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave it in the comments below. So until next time, happy hustling.